For ad hoc or upcoming regular meetings, we do not need to spend a lot of time to update the latest data value in our PowerPoint presentations. Because of cooperative features between Power BI and PowerPoint, we can now easily embed the live Power BI reports into the PowerPoint presentations with few clicks and interactively browse our audience with refreshed data value. Hi, I'm Mike. In this video, I shall brief you the steps on how to embed Power BI report in PowerPoint presentations. First, we need to ensure that we have a Power BI add-ins in our PowerPoint application. Open PowerPoint application. On top ribbon, click the tab Insert. Choose tab Get add-ins. In pop-up window, type Power BI in search box. Find the Microsoft Power BI from search list and click the Add. Now you have a Power BI added in your PowerPoint. Regarding the descriptions and requirements of a Power BI add-in to the PowerPoint, I have the Microsoft Learning URL as reference attached in this video description section. Now let's move to our one Power BI report page from the existing example Power BI report and Power BI service site. For example, choose the upcoming opportunities report page from the report. On top ribbon, click the Export tab menu, then choose PowerPoint, then Embed Live Data. A window pops up. It says that we have two options to do this embedding. One is to copy the URL link, then paste it into your existing presentation. Another option is to click Open in PowerPoint and create a new presentation. Let's first try the option Click Open in PowerPoint. Then we have a new PowerPoint slide created. And the upcoming opportunities report is embedded in this PowerPoint slide automatically. We can move and adjust the position and the size of the embedded report frame. On the bottom of the report, click the left side arrow icon, which is the Data Options tab. Then click the Refresh. This action ensures that the embedded Power BI report has the latest data value. Then click the right arrow icon, which is Add-in Options. Choose Clear Data. This action will remove the current report, and we can start over a new embedded report by pasting the URL link of a new Power BI report. Let's copy the upcoming opportunities report page URL from the Power BI report service site, paste, and recover the live report in this presentation. On the bottom of the presentation, we can collapse the toolbars to hide the two tab menus and save display space. We can now interactively to interpret the report data value by changing report slicers. Another option is, as mentioned, to having the copied URL link from the Power BI report page from Power BI service site. Open an existing PowerPoint presentation and a new slide, then on top ribbon of the PowerPoint to insert the Power BI add-in. In the Embedded tab of Power BI report frame, paste our previous copied URL link of upcoming opportunities report page. Click the Insert. We see the live upcoming opportunities report page is displayed. Additional highlight here is that from the Power BI service side, on the top ribbon of upcoming opportunities report page, by Share tab menu, we can also embed the Power BI report in PowerPoint through same steps as the mentioned previous two options. Thanks for watching, and if you like to watch more videos from my channel, please press subscribe button. See you in next video.